Mr. Manoj, right now trains are smart but not fully independent. What will it take for India to move from semi-automatic to fully driverless?
So I think we are talking about automation to autonomy. I think that's a big leap. Today trains are already in driverless mode, but with a restricted activity where the train stops by itself and also the train understands things. But the future is AI. The future of rail signaling will get into the next level of system safety, system movement, the movement authority of the signaling system. Everything is controlled by AI, and we'll have a more seamless movement of trains on the line. So with AI, it's not about only demoing the driver. You're really putting in more efforts for a safety, a smoother and efficient travel.